Okay, hello friends. So now we have to put all three equations in matrix forms. So left hand side, that is v1, v2 and v3 is not present, so 0 I have kept. Now coefficients of i1, i2, i3 I will place over here, right? And unknowns i1, i2, i3 I will take on the right side. So in equation first, i1 is 1 by s plus 1, 1 by s plus 1, i2 is 1, i3 is minus 1 by s. From second equation, i1 is 1, you can see where is i1, i1 is 1, i2 is 2 plus 1 by s, i3 is 1 by s. Similarly, from equation number 3, i1 is, where is i1? Yes, there is some mistake. It should be I3, right? Here minus 1 by s into I2, that is also right. 1 by s into I1, it should be I1. Okay. So if I change all signs, it will become like this. So it will be minus 1 by s, minus 1 by s, I2 is 1 by s, I3 is 2 by s plus 1 or 1 plus 2 by s in a matrix form, and on the right hand side I can write three unknowns I1, I2, I3. Okay, this is in a matrix forms. Now how to find out I1? Whenever we wish to find out I1, we should replace all the coefficients by I1 and find out determinant. So first of all we have to find out del, this is determinant of this matrix. Then del 1 we will find out. Del 1 is what? Replace coefficients of I1 by the constant values. Okay, v1 0 and 0. Okay, instead of coefficients of I1 we will put these values v1 0 0, and then we will take determinant, that will be del 1, right? And I1, then I1 is nothing but del 1 by del. Okay, this formula you know very well. So what we will do, first we will find out determinant for this. Okay, so what is determinant for this? This multiply by multiplication of this minus multiplication of this, right? So just see. Determinant is I can multiply 1 by s plus 1. Okay, this is 1 by s plus 1. Okay, into multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two. So into multiplication of 2 plus 1 by s into 1 plus 2 by s minus 1 upon s square. Coefficient of b is always minus 1. Why? Because coefficient here. 1 into multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two, right? So minus 1 into 1 plus 2 by s, 1 into 1 plus 2 by s, minus of minus will become plus, so plus 1 by s square. Similarly, third coefficient 1 by s, 1 into 1 by s plus minus minus it will become plus 1 by s into 2 plus 1 by s, right? Now see here, minus 1 by s into multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two. Okay, so I have written. Now you can solve it and you will get answer as s square plus 5s plus 2 divided by s square. Okay, now we will find out del 1. Del 1, how to find out del 1? As I said, replace coefficients of I1 by constants value. So we will replace them, that is v1 0 and 0, right hand side, no, and remaining things will be as it is, 1 minus 1 by s, 2 plus 1 by s, 1 by s, 1 by s, 2 by s plus 1. Okay, again we will find out this into multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two. Okay, then this into multiplication of these two, that is 0, into multiplication of these two, that is 0. Then this term into multiplication of these two, that is 0, into this 0. So only one term will be present, v1 into these things. So I will write down here, see, v1 into 2 plus 1 by s into 2 by s plus 1 multiplication of these two minus 1 by s into 1 by s, 1 by s square. Okay, So when you solve it, you will get V1 into 2s square plus 5s plus 1 upon s square, right? Now as I said, I1 is nothing but del 1 by del. Okay, so I1 is del 1, that is V1 into 2s square plus 5s plus 1 divided by s square. This is del 1 by del. Del is s square plus 5s plus 2 upon s square. Okay, so s square will get cancelled and you will get answer as a V1 into 2s square plus 5s plus 1 upon s square plus 5s plus 2. Okay, so this is your V1. Oh, sorry, I1. Now this is driving point impedance. Let's find out driving point admittance. Driving point admittance is y driving point admittance y12. So we need to find out I2 divided by V1. Okay, so I2 we have to find out driving point admittance. So let's find out I2. How to find out I2? It is del 2 by del. Okay, how to find out del 2? Del 2 means we have to replace coefficients of I2 by constants remaining as it is and determinant will be find out. So del 2 equal to 1 by s plus 1 V1 minus 1 by s. Okay, we will replace coefficient of I2 by constant. So V1 0 0. Remaining things we will keep as it is. 1 by s, 2 by s plus 1. Okay, so this term into this minus this, so 0. This terms into this minus this, only this term will be in a picture, V1 into, okay. So that will be, and coefficients of b is always taken minus, so minus V1 into 2 by s plus 1 minus, this minus 1 will become plus 1 by s square. Okay, so it will be minus V1 s square plus 2s plus 1 divided by s square. Okay, so now let's find out I2. I2 is del 2 means this into del. Okay, so this divided by del. Del is s square plus 5s plus 2 by s square. S square will cancel. So we will get I2 as a minus V1 into s square plus 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus 5s plus 2. Okay, so what is y12 now? Now y12 is I2 by V1, right? No, so for 2 we will take on numerator, I2 by V1. I2 we have calculated just now, minus V1 into s square plus 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus 5s plus 2 in divided by V1. V1 will get cancelled and you will get driving point admittance y12 as a minus s square plus 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus 5s plus 2. Okay, so this is how we can find out driving point impedance and admittance functions of a network which is not non-ladder network. Okay, okay. In next lecture we will study poles and zeros of network function. Thank you.